and them a cook up behind closed door. Agenda 2030, what them have in store. Sustainable development, that's what them declare. But hidden agenda lurking everywhere. Smart city rising like a concrete tree, controlling every move, you and me. Natural disaster or a wicked design, whether manipulation, crossing the line. Wake up people, open your eyes and see. This ain't no conspiracy, it's reality. Smart city living, everything connected, but freedom and privacy complete rejected. Cameras watching, data collected, every single action carefully inspected. Digital ID, tracking your trace, lost in the system, losing the human race. Smart city rising like a concrete tree, controlling every move, you and me. Natural disaster or a wicked design, whether manipulation, crossing the line. Wake up people, open your eyes and see. This ain't no conspiracy, it's reality. Earthquake in the mountains, hurricane at sea. Is it nature's fury or technology? Harp in the distance, sending out a sign. Weather control experiments, playing with divine. Chemtrails in the sky, a toxic display, changing the climate day by day. Smart city rising like a concrete tree, controlling every move, you and me. Natural disaster or a wicked design, with a manipulation, crossing the line. Wake up people, open your eyes and see. This ain't no conspiracy, it's reality. We gotta stand up and fight for our rights, protect our freedom with all of our might. Spread the word, let the truth be known, before we're all trapped in a Babylon zone. Smart city rising
like a concrete tree,
controlling every move, you and me.
natural disaster
Or a wicked design,
weather manipulation.
crossing the line. Wake up people, open your eyes and see. This ain't no conspiracy, it's reality. Jah guide and protect us from this wicked plan.